animals. Hello, my name is Starfish. Let me introduce you to my friends. Come with me.
Starfish. Starfish.
A turtle moves fast in the sea.
Turtle. Turtle.
A jellyfish has a see-through body.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
A squid has 10 legs.
Squid. Squid.
Oh, this is an octopus. An octopus has 8 legs.
Octopus. Octopus.
A shrimp has a bent body.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
A seahorse swims in an upright position.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
A clam has hard shells.
Clam. Clam.
Wow! The wings of a manta ray are really huge.
Manta ray. Manta ray.
A crab is walking sideways.
Crab. Crab.
A seal is enjoying the sunshine.
Seal. Seal.
A flying fish jumps in the air.
Flying fish. Flying fish.
Dolphins are very smart.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
When a whale breathes out, it spouts out water like a fountain.
Whale. Whale.
A shark has sharp teeth.
Shark. Shark.
Was this fun? Did you have fun meeting my friends? Next time, please introduce me to your friends. Bye-bye.
Review. Clam. Crab. Dolphin. Flying fish. Jellyfish. Manta ray. Octopus. Seahorse. Seal. Shark. Shrimp. Squid. Starfish. Turtle. Whale.